Embark number 8 is esteem. To hold yourself in high regard, to have esteem for your body, and how to look after yourself. So you'll see these videos on the chair, in the sit-calmer, where we have intense talks, where we talk about the emotional and the spiritual and the psychological side of body wellness and self-esteem and confidence and all of that. And these videos where I'm looking so sexy feel in my swart kat pakkie is all about the physical use of the oil and looking after your body and the application of the oil. So the first segment now, we're going to discuss something called dry body brushing. And dry body brushing is a very ancient method to actually wake up the body and do what you need to do. Dry body brushing is an amazing way to improve product penetration. It's an amazing way to switch on your lymphatic system. It's very, very good for exfoliation, and it's also good for blood circulation. So it has a lot of benefits, and I'm going to teach you the right way to do it. So what you need is you need a brush, any brush. Jy kan tot 'n skoenborsel vat. As long as it's got nice soft bristles, you get those smart ones with the wood pieces in between as well. I'll talk about that for you. As long as it's a soft brush, and the experience should not be uncomfortable. Dit moet lekker wees. Okay? Because in body wellness, it's all about pleasure. Pleasure, calming the body, loving the body, being good to the body. So the minute you feel an unpleasant feeling, or you deem a feeling as unpleasant or painful or hurtful, your body, your limbic system is going to go into protection mode, and it's not going to receive anything that you give it. So it's very important to know, when I love my body, when I do body care, when I do self-care, I need to switch on the essence of I am loving myself. I am touching my body, talking to my body in a loving, gentle way, as you would treat your little baby. Soos wat jy met jou babatjie sal wees. That love you need to give yourself, and you need to give that to your body. So there is a video where I'm encouraging those who are married or who have partners to please teach their partners to do their dry body brushing for them, because what I'm actually encouraging is the increase of the hormone called oxytocin. And oxytocin is a hormone, it's called the bonding hormone, and it's a hormone that releases when you just gave birth to your baby. And when I put that baby in your arms, and that baby is against your chest, we call it in doulas the 30 minutes, the golden hour after birth. That hormone, when you smell your baby's crown, that hormone that releases, that surges through you, is called oxytocin, and oxytocin then switches on the prolactin. We're going to go into the maternity journeys as well. They are beautiful, and the body is so magical. And our bodies know exactly what to do. We must just allow that body to do what she knows, what is the right thing. And if you love your body enough, and if you prioritize enough time for self-care, your body will start to thank you by losing weight. Because a lot of weight issues is linked to cortisol. And we're going to go on the cortisol journey, and it's going to link in with this lymphatic journey that we are on, because lymph is all about flow, lymphatic. Can I go with the flow in life? Am I in the energy of flow? So when you touch your body, when you massage your body, or am I letting the movements flow? Dis amper soos ballet julle. Am I flowing? My lymphatic system needs to flow. Your lymphatic system doesn't have a heart. It doesn't have a pump. So the only way that you can let this lymph move is unfortunately with touch or movement. So we're going to rebound on this journey. We're going to roll the fascia area, and we're going to do dry body brushing. That is the only ways that we can really let that lymphatic system switch on, and we can allow the lymphatic system to start cleaning out the body, because the lymphatic system is the rubbish dump of the body. So julle kry nou eers 'n vet preek voordat ek vir julle leer hoe om te dry body brush, because if you don't know the anatomy of it, you can't do it correctly. So in your body, and I'm going to stand a bit back, ek hope julle kan my sien. So in your body, you have got what we call lymphatic glands. So your lymph system, and I'll put a picture on the group, your lymph system has all of these beautiful little pikeys. It looks like veins, but it's like a green color. And these lymph pathways has the lymph running, and all of the toxins come through the blood into the lymphatic, and then there are areas that have lymph nodes. En die lymph node is amper soos die, wat gaan ek dit nou noem? Dis nou amper soos die rioolplaas. So you have all of these little stations in your body that has these clusters of lymph nodes. And as the lymph moves through, these lymph nodes then collect all the toxins, and these lymph nodes then have a way to send this to your bladder, to your liver, to your body, and it actually gets released through bowel movements, sweat, urine, and all of that. So the body is so amazing. So I've got a lot of lymph glands here where I'm touching. So now think of the triple AT technique, the Aldila application technique. Wat laat ek laat julle almal die hele tyd doen? Julle moet daar gaan, onthou julle. Because we are actually putting the oil onto the lymphatic system. Because the skin is the biggest organ, and the skin absorbs everything. That is why I always make the joke and say, ons sit nie bolie aan ons liggame nie. But it's because it's true. Your biggest organ absorbs, but also excretes, skei uit. So when I am on my nerves, when I have anxiety, when my cortisol levels are high, it actually, this is science, this nie mamba jumbo nie. It releases through my skin like sweat. And my children can feel my cortisol. My partner can feel my cortisol. Why do women sit in the same office and within 90 days, everybody's on the same menstrual cycle? It's pheromones that come through the skin. So it's very important that we become aware and we learn about the importance of the skin, the lymphatic system, and that my blood circulation and my flow has a very big effect on my health. Because if we can get this lymphatic system going and we can help the lymphatic system to move into flow, we are going to be healthier, we are going to have less toxins, our skins are going to absorb better, and we're going to lose weight, and we're going to be beautiful and glowing, and we're going to be in a good mood. Because the cortisol is going to come down, the adrenaline is going to come down, the oxytocin is going to come up, the dopamine is going to be released, and we're not going to be pet shop snacks. So hierso sit my lymphkliere daar, that's why the gua sha is so important, the skin rolling with the rose quartz is so important. Going into here, if you press there, you'll feel it sensitive there. So that's a very big lymphatic switch. Here, on the heart, where I always touch everybody, tussen die twee nou. This is called the thymus. And this thymus gland looks like a trosdrywer. And the first 13 years of a child's life, this thymus gland is highly active. And this trosdrywer here, it's a cluster of lymphatic cells, and this is where the body actually activates that child's immunity. That's why when I teach all of you to switch on the children's bodies, I say, een hand hier, een hand op die limbic system, and switch on. So I want you all to imagine that I've got a switch here, and when I put my hand here, and my switches are there, and I've got my left hand switch there, I'm actually switching on my lymphatic system to activate my body's immunity and to tell my lymphatic system to start doing her work. So this is the first part of the video towards dry body brushing, and we need to understand that I've got lymph glands here, I've got lymph glands there, I've got a big lymph switch on the heart, okay, because this is where I'm going. Under my arms, what am I putting under my arms? What am I rolling under my arms? Most lymphatic glands are under my arms. If I look under my arms, waartoe gaan my hand? Hier na die tweeling toe. So there's a lot of lymph nodes going all the way here because I'm breastfeeding my child. This is an important part of a woman's life. We've spoken about it in the EndoFem journey. So what am I putting under my arms? How am I treating my armpits? I've got a lot of lymph glands under my arms. Ons moet gaan navors. Then I'm going down to the southern hemisphere. So if I press here and I press at the back, there's a big lymph switch called the cisterna chili, and it's like a lymph sac And that is where the lymph actually comes together, and then it needs to go to the rest of the body. So if I press here, I can even feel a beating of my heart over there. So I'll put some information on that. And then, of course, here by the groin. And you'll see when I taught you in the previous journey, I said when we wash the southern hemisphere, this is the area where the toxins are being released. So the smell or the odor actually doesn't come from the fanny. It comes from the groin, because there's a lot of lymph nodes sitting here. And then if I turn around for you, here, by die waai van my knie, hierso, there is a lot of lymph nodes sitting there as well. So we're going to go into the dry body brushing video, but I want you to now keep in mind, where's my lymph nodes? My lymph system doesn't have a heart or a pump, okay? I'm going to put a picture of the lymphatic system, and then we're going to go into the video understanding why we are doing it and how we are doing it.